Oh, yeah.
Smart cookie. To be a clever, intelligent person. Thanks, I'm just a smart cookie. Meaning. A person who shows good judgment, thinks clearly, and figures things out faster than most people. Examples. She's such a smart cookie, she always gets top marks in class. You're a smart cookie for figuring that out so quickly. He's a smart cookie and knows how to solve tough problems. My little sister is a smart cookie, she learns fast. Conversation example. I heard you got the highest score on the test. Thanks, I studied really hard. You're such a smart cookie. Haha, thanks, that means a lot. Origins. The phrase comes from the early 1900s, the United States. Cookie was used in a friendly way to describe someone, and smart means clever or intelligent. Modern use. We use smart cookie in everyday life to compliment someone's good judgment, quick thinking, or ability to learn and solve problems. Relative expressions. Similar. Clever. Bright. Quick thinker. Brainy. Opposite or not the same. Not very bright. Slow learner. Not sharp. Dim. When to use it. When you want to compliment someone's intelligence. When someone solves a problem quickly. When someone learns something easily, when someone makes a clever or smart decision. More example. Wow, you solved that puzzle so fast. Hee hee, just a smart cookie. Key takeaway. A smart cookie uses their brain to learn, solve problems, and make great choices. Be smart, be kind, be awesome. Remember, smart cookie means a clever, intelligent person. It's a friendly way to give praise. Use it to encourage and celebrate smart choices. Brought to you by Idioms Rock.